Good morning. Going out for a while, just for lunch, or what do we call that? Sunday breakfast or Sunday lunch? Sunday roast. I'm tired walking.
Maybe with the sleep that you had last night, you managed it off the breakfast.
He's whinging. Okay. I had already a video from this place, but I just want to... Okay. I had already a video from this place, but I just want to get a walk. I'm trying the GoPro 8 that my husband gave it to me, so I try it. How is the video? Look at that.
I'm still kicking myself that I gave you the others.
Because he really don't want to give me this one,
I love that camera.
but he bought the 9, so GoPro 9. So look at this.
Still, I could have kept it as a
Still
backup
quiet here.
or perspective camera.
Yeah. Can I push this?
No, well, I don't know. I haven't worked that one out.
Because there is a music there.
Well, stop it then.
A few minutes later.
It's very big, the tarpaulin for the wear the mask, but none up here is wearing the mask, and it's just they're just ignoring it. That's why it's getting higher, the COVID here now. And even in the bar, they said wear the
They
mask.
never open on a Sunday.
Yeah,
Must be desperate.
this is Marlboro Art. It's winter.
It's still autumn.
Autumn. Kontrabida man itong asawa ko eh.
It's definitely cooler than it was. So you go up or you go down?
Ay. Nahihirapan ako huminga kasi yung dahil sa ko, since nag-treatment ako, medyo maano ang hininga ko. Ayan. Ay.
Just one thing to be wary about the GoPro is the longer you film, the more memory it's going to use and the more it's going to burn the battery quite quick.
Oh,
You should do small shots here, there and everywhere.
yeah.
You can also link them together. Good deal.
The thing is, to edit the video is I don't like it.
Yeah, but the thing is, that's part of what you've got to do. If you want to post videos, you've got to take the rough with the smooth.
This is
all the things
our
you-
main street here. It's not that quiet. It's quiet, but it's not the normal one. Look at all of these shoes here. It's all on sale. This is nice there. It's a music, so.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, dito na kami. Kasi halos maubusan ng table ngayon. Kaya yun. Kasi hindi ako nagpa-reserve eh. Kain lang kami ng Sunday roast.
My hands dry.
Kagabi nga pala yung LS ko kagabi na silent one. That's 12 hours. Tapos ang dami kami nanonood. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. More than 50 ang nanonood na magdamag. Ang dami Very thankful for that. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa lahat guys. As in. Maraming.
As in and as out.
Yeah.
I should it all about.
Pero really, kasi una ko yun eh. First time ko yung na yung ganon. Tapos wala pa akong alam kaya nagmamasid pa ako sa inyo. Pero nagpe-play naman ako sa iba, nag-ano rin ako kasi syempre kayo lahat nag-ano sa akin, tag-iilan ang account nyo, piniplay nyo sa akin, grabe. Kaya nag-try ako gumawa ng ibang account para pag ang iba naman na mag-LS, ma-play ko rin magdamag.
If
Diba?
come make sure they bring gravy for both.
Yeah.
Go for smoke.
Okay. Pero antok pa talaga ako kasi anong oras na ako nagising, alas 11 na, pasado na alas 11. Eh paano ba na natulog ako? 5 na mahigit. Yun. Inumaga ako. Kasi kasi ako, nagpupunta ko sa bahay. Kaya yun, matagal ako natulog. Pero nangihina ako, nakakapagod. Pero ang dami kong gagawin ngayon. Magliligpit na ako sa mga summer clothes kasi mag-winter na dito. So itatabi ko muna yung mga summer clothes. Tapos, thank you. Tapos pag natapos ko yun, hindi, mag-ano muna ako. Mag-play ako sa iba. Tapos, pag natapos ko na yun, may trabaho ako mamaya pa naman yun, 5 o'clock eh. So, may time pa ako, mga ilang oras mag-ano sa iba. Mag-update sa mga nyo. Kasi not fair naman sa iba. Isa-isahin ko kayong lahat. Saka so happy na nagpapasalamat din ako kay Ate Tonya. Maraming salamat po. Pati ba naman pero really, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. So, sa inyong lahat ng rin. Maraming salamat. Sa mga rin, sa pamilya kapatid, siya rin, din siya. Dami rin yung natulong sa akin. Especially sa mga banana. Yun. Natutuwa ako na ang dami ko natutunan sa mga mga banana, mga kung ano-ano dyan. Yung mga dikit-dikit. Hindi wala akong alam dyan dati. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako napunta dyan sa mga group na yan at saka sa yung sa ibang live. Hindi ko nga alam Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ko umpisahan Kasi lang naman ako, nag-play lang ako sa ibang mga live, mga nakikinood lang ako gano'n. Tahimik lang ako, hindi ako sa ilang buwan hindi ako nag-comment or tapos yun nagbabasa ako ng mga comment, tapos yun, nag-start na ako. Sana itong ginagawa ko na ko, pinagpupuyatan na to is hindi naman to for the cost naman to, hindi to para sa akin lang, kundi para din ito sa mga tao na nangangailangan. So,
if they ever break, there's a little hole there. You put the cord through the hole like I did there. Yeah. And that repairs it. That's what it's there for. I didn't realise. I found out yesterday. I've been throwing these away, not realising there's a repair.
I'm throwing a lot. Because the smell of the fryer at work is not really good smell. He did the last how many days and then it's already finished. I don't know but the boys did on it. Because for the boys and the drivers, I give some of them also.
God knows.
And boss not buy anymore. So, ay, dito ka na naman. Ayan, si Kabayan. Dito siya. Wala ka, ang tagal na kita hindi nakikita doon sa
Nasa Pilipinas ako.
Umuwi, lasta ka din?
8 buwan ako to.
Oo, ako 5. Start na yes, end of February ako umuwi. Tapos, nakabalik ako. End of February, no? Tapos, bumalik ako dito July.
Ako, yun lang.
Bago lang. Nakita kita
Does he?
I don't know.
Just in case you need replacement.
Nagluluto ka ba? Nagluluto ka.
Take his number, just in case.
I know where he is, so...
Enjoy first.
Thank you.
Salamat ha.
You didn't get any. Did you get the sweet potato?
No, she didn't put the sweet potato. It's okay, it's alright. This one guys, ayan o, ayan pagkain. Ito na naman, every Sunday ganito kami. Ayan, husband. Sa kanya. Ayan.
Deme kayo.
Can I get the picture in here, yeah?
Yeah, you got to change the camera. Come here. I'll do it for you.
Like that.
I'll do it for you. Stop the video.
Ayun, naputol. Kasi nag-picture ako. Sana pala sinunamit ko na lang cellphone ko. Alam ko lang. Sensya na kayo. Yun nga. Ano ba yung nag-usapan? Ano ba yung sinasabi ko kanina?
I didn't get any parsnips. No.
Kanas.
Good idea.
This one I don't like this. Do you want this one, babe?
I got up in mind. You look there.
What do we call this one?
Stuffing.
Stuffing. I don't like it.
Okay.
What is it inside really?
Herbs, spices, breadcrumbs.
And everything, yeah? And wala akong ginawa kung di kumain, kaya pumapayat ako, you know? First ano ko ito eh, itong video na gamit ko, pero hindi ko alam kung ano palalabasan nito kasi nga hindi ko naman nakikita ang screen kung sakto ba or nasa gitna ba ako or ano, kaya pag-aaralan ko muna to, pero mas handy kasi siya eh, yung ano na to, mas maano at ang camera niya, kaya ito na nakapit, ito ang dinala ko, hindi ako madala ng phone kasi yung phone ko na ginagamit para sa pag-video laging napupuno. Yung memory niya, ano na eh, ililipat ko pa sa laptop ko, hindi ko pa nalipat, wala pa akong time.
We have a full-blown discussion here.
Pag-aaralan ko muna yung OBS, sabi niya, ito niya. Napapanood ko yung pagkain na ito niya, ang sarap-sarap, parang nagugutom mo, gusto ko gumawa. Problema ko, wala akong dito kasi wala yung mga ingredients, wala lahat. Gusto ko magluto. Nahiga magluto eh. Kaya lang yung oras ko. Pag nag-lockdown ulit, sigurado magbabawas kami ng oras.
During lockdown, I ate a whole leg of lamb for myself.
On Monday, I will pull the Chili's arrow.
I called them already, I told you. I sent you a message on it, I told you all about it.
Okay.
They said it's in the last process. It's got to go to the governor or the chief minister. And hopefully it'll be approved in the next month or so.
Tabang. Gusto ko dito kasi pag umorder ka ng ano ito eh, lamb, chicken, beef, and turkey.
No.
What?
Lamb, pork, beef and turkey.
Lamb, pork, beef, and turkey. Lamb, pork, beef, and turkey. No chicken.
No, that's why you had the turkey. Pork's nice.
copyright nito kasi may music pa naman.
Nice.
What is that, babe? Notice, Algeciras Gibraltar Railway Company, special excursion Royal Calpitan, established chassis, whatever, it's so difficult to read, I can hardly see it.
Estación.
And at Guadaporte Farm, Thursday, 4th of March, 1909. That's very long. 1909, sorry. 1909. My eyes is blurred already.
Hence the glasses.
It's not easy wearing glasses. But it's nice when you are watching TV and it is really clear, or you're in the computer. I really like that glass. Very nice. Anyway, well, kasi medyo mahaba-haba na itong ano to. Okay. Again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-play kagabi sa LS ko. At sa kay Ate Tunyang, maraming salamat. Kay Liz, maraming salamat sa Isis. Sa lahat sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na kayo mention lahat, pero maraming salamat. And don't forget to like and subscribe on this video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
A few minutes later.
Guys, look at this. Look at all of this. Everything is here. This is the one that I watch in the YouTube, and I really want to collect all of that. One on each. I don't know why, but it's, you know, I before I collect some toys that what do we call this one? I forget the name on it. The angels also, I collect it. And now I saw this one and it's really nice. My husband have a lot also like that, but it is for him. But it's only 13 pounds, 13 quid. About more than not even 1,000, no. Yeah, almost 1,000 peso each. Everything is no, there is also 9.99, and the rest are 12 and 13. And look at that. It's really pretty. I love it. Look. It's so cute. There's Captain America there, but it's more expensive. Oh, it's a really nice one. I'm in the toy shop that, you know, our friend, the owner, he's our friend. So, and this one also here. Oh, Chloe she will be very happy on this. Ang gaganda ng mga ano. Tapos tingnan mo yan.